Well, that news about Boeing overshadowed a real sentiment tug-of-war on Wall Street today, with some blowout bank earnings battling a troubling warning from an economic bellwether. We'll have more on those bank earnings in just a moment. But what surprised investors was UPS, warning that profits will be lower this quarter as customers find cheaper ways to ship goods. The package delivery company also said it sees a slowdown in the U.S. industrial economy. UPS shares tumbled 6%. And that gloomy news weighed down the major stock averages. But by the closing bell, stocks rebounded a bit and even posted new records. The Dow added 3 points, closing at a new high, and so did the S&P, up 5 points. The Nasdaq added 21 points.
So what is behind that warning from UPS, the world's largest package delivery company, and what could it mean for the overall economy? Hampton Pearson explains.
The latest indicator that the global economic recovery still has a long way to go comes from United Parcel Service, the world's #1 package delivery company. UPS says there's an overcapacity in the global air freight market, and customers are looking for cheaper shipping solutions even if they take more time. Economists say what happens at UPS and its rival FedEx are bellwethers for the global economy.
I do think that the slowdown that we've seen across the globe coming into the summer was more than anyone anticipated. I think most of the transportation companies, delivery companies, expected better, more, and have excess capacity. So, I think they were surprised by all this.
UPS says it's still expecting profits this year to be higher than 2012, including solid growth in the second half of the year. Ongoing labor negotiations is another factor impacting package volume growth, but retail analysts view that as a short-term problem.
I think UPS will rebound and will regain some or rebuild and ramp up on their new customer acquisition again, but that probably was a bit of a soft spot here in the second quarter as well, while as shippers maybe chose FedEx over UPS due to those labor negotiations issues.
Meanwhile, UPS is counting on growth in its ground transportation and small package business in the second half of the year to offset lower profits and slower growth in the global air freight competition. For a Nightly Business Report, I'm Hampton Pearson in Washington.